Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Techavro. Hope you all are doing great. So today I'm here to show you how you can create Telegram channel. So go to Telegram and then on the top right corner you can see an icon. So tap on icon and then you will get new group, new contact and new channel option. Tap on new channel and then tap create channel. So after that you have to name it. You have to give a name to your channel, such as I'm going to name it as Barbie World. So I'm going to name it as Barbie World and then tap next, and then over here you can set it as public or private link. So you just have to set a public link so that other people will be able to find your channel and then join your channel. So yeah, this is how you can create your Telegram channel. So thanks for watching. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon button. See you in the next video. Bye bye.